This is Sam the cooking guy. So here's what we're doing. This is chicken. Pretty obvious. It was a deli roasted chicken not too long ago. Now it's chicken in my thing. We're gonna make a chicken taquitos for the kids. Because who doesn't like taquitos? We need a bowl. We're gonna make this very, very simple. You don't need to overthink this. I need corn tortillas, this, and I need green salsa that I don't think I have open. Green salsa. So here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put the chicken in here. And I like it fairly shredded up. And because I've only ever made these in a few at a time, I don't know the large quantity amount, so we're gonna write the ingredients down as we go. All right, so what does this look like? This looks like 2 cups. Does this? Perfect. Let's go with, now I gotta get him back. Let's go with a 1/4 cup of green salsa. So I think I want a little bit more. So we're gonna make it about 1/3 cup. Beautiful, that's good. All right, so now I'm gonna try a 1/2 cup of cheese. Which looks like this. Boom. I like what this is doing. All right, so now we're gonna spray this. Oven's on to 425. Now here's what we have to do. Let's put some of this in these. But I want them a little more pliable. If I had chicken broth, I do. Check this move out. Corn tortillas can be a little stiff, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put them in the broth. Then we're gonna put a little bit in here. And then we want these really like about as tight as you can get them. This is similar to enchiladas that I make. It occurred to me the other day that you could taquito-ize the whole thing and it would be, you know, good. So that's what we're doing. A little bit of oil. And that's it. And they go. When we see them next, it's gonna be about 25-ish minutes. 20, 25 minutes, they'll start to get crispy, tiny little bit brown, be beautiful, and then bust them out and we eat them. Okay, they're almost ready. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get them, you know what that means, right? Get them ready to eat, but we're gonna make a little dip. So I'm going with chipotle sour cream, just a little bit of it. And rather than make them super spicy and chop up a chipotle, I'm just gonna use the sauce. Cilantro. Here we go. Booyah. Nice. Look it. Hear that? Oh, dude, that is so what I'm talking about. And now we do this. We'll just put a little bit here. And of course this.